In this video, we will go over another factoring method. This method is to do it mentally. And I would recommend, first mastering the previous methods before we do this method. And we will solve three problems, these three. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 25. So initially what I would do is put two parentheses here and here. First, I think, how can I get 2x squared? 2x and x. Now the question mark I'm going to do mentally. I'm going to put a bunch of combinations that can give me negative 25. And fortunately, there is pretty much only like two sets, 1 and 25 or 5 and 5. And one term needs to be negative. And so in my head, I'm putting a negative 5 here and a positive 5 here. And then I check. So 2x times 5 is 10x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And that gives me 5x. And so it's a match. And so this right here is the answer. Now this will be the second problem. This will be a little bit more challenging because we have 4x squared. And there's two ways to get 4x squared. You can get 2x and 2x or 4x and x. So first, I'm going to try 2x plus a question mark times 2x plus a question mark. And in my head, I'm plugging in 5 and negative 5, and I'm going to check if it works. So I would get 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. 5 and x is positive 5x. And so this gives me negative 5x. So it's not correct because we want 15x. Now I'll try 4x plus a question mark, x plus a question mark. And in my head, I'm plugging in negative 5 and 5. And so I would get 4x times 5 is 20x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And so this would give me 15x. And so it's a match. And so this right here is the final answer. And now for the third one. So 10x squared plus 7x minus 12. So I will put 5x plus a question mark, 2x plus a question mark. It may not be 5x and 2x. It may be 10x and x. But with practice, we'll have a better understanding of what initial guess we should make based off of these two terms here. So I put a question mark and a question mark. How can I get negative 12? Let's try negative 4 and 3. So 5x times 3 is 15x. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. And so this would give us positive 7x. And so it's a match. And so this right here is the final answer. And that's all we need to do for these three problems.